Do you have a lot of clothes that have like a small little neck? You have issues trying to use a hanger because you either have to stretch the neck to get that hanger on or put the hanger through the clothes, and sometimes it just pulls and pulls onto your clothes? If so, I might have the solution for you. Hanger Revolution sent me a bunch of their hangers that they just came out with, and at first I didn't see what the big deal is, but I totally do now. So this is what this hanger looks like. It does bend so that it can go straight down into those clothes right there, but then it expands and it looks just like a regular hanger. At the top, you make sure that the hanger is closed, you stick it in, and then all you do is expand. And look at that. It is expanding to a regular hanger. So you can go ahead and hang your clothes like this, and to take it off, all you have to do is simply bend, and guess what? The clothes slide straight off. So you don't have to pull it again or worry about anything being caught. Now this is made out of a nice sort of heavy plastic, and what is really cool about this is that at this part where the clothes are going to be resting, it's sort of like a ridged area, so that it's going to prevent your clothes from actually slipping on, because it's going to grip, but it's not going to grip to like pull any of that material. So it's a nice sort of heavy duty material, plastic, and if it falls, it's not going to break like other materials. But again, you just simply open, hanger, close. This is going to solve all of those problems with any of your clothes that you have that are very small at the top and you worry. You just stick it in and open. There you go.